Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on Landingi form submission. So here I have created inquiry form using Landingi, and in this case I want whenever a new form is submitted, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Landingi and our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send an automated WhatsApp message on Landingi form submission. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. So here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. You can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as send WhatsApp message or Landingi form submission. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create. Now here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now to begin with our automation, let's set up our trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Landingi and my trigger event as new lead from landing page. Now here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our Landingi with Pabbly Connect. Now following the instructions given below, I have already logged in my Landingi. Here you can see I have also created a landing page with name Connect Integration. Here I am going to click on this edit. Here I am going to select the form, and from here I am going to click on settings. In form settings, I am going to click on integrations. And here I am going to search for my integration, that is webhook. So from here I am going to remove this existing link. And now going back to Pabbly, here I will copy this new webhook URL. Back to landing page editor. Here I am going to paste the new webhook URL. And then I am going to select request method as post. And now I am going to click on this save. And from here save and close. After that we need to save this form again. And after saving, we need to publish our form. Click on publish anyway. And now our page is live. Let's copy the link of our form. And now I will open this in the new window. So here in Pabbly, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means here we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, let me take you to my inquiry form. So this is the inquiry form which I have created. So basically in this case, I want whenever a new query is made, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So here to do a test submission, I'm going to fill a dummy data. Here I'm going to enter the name as dummy, email as dummy@pabblytuts.com and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this send. So here you can see we have successfully submitted our form. Now going back to Pabbly, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the phone, name and email. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now moving to our action step, here I am going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API and my action event as send template message. And now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, I am going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I am going to click on add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now moving forward, here it is asking for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all these details, I need to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for Developers. So here in Meta for Developers, I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account where I have received temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But here you can see I have received temporary access token. That means this token will expire in 23 hours. So to build a permanent connection, you need a permanent access token, and for that you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. To learn how to do this, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy all these details and paste on my Pabbly window. So here I've pasted all the details and now I'm going to click on this save. Now after building the connection, it is asking me to select the template name. So for that, let me take you back to WhatsApp Cloud API setup. So here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. So here you can see all the templates which I have created for my use. If you want to learn how to create your own template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. So from here I'm going to select my desired template which is named as lead form. Here you can see the message which I have drafted which says, "Hello, we are always eager to connect with amazing people like you. Whether you are interested in our latest products, exclusive offers or just want to stay updated with what we are up to, we have got you covered. I'd love to learn more about your requirements and discuss how we can assist you further. Feel free to reply to this message and let's schedule a time to chat. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Regards, demo user." So this is the basic template which I have drafted for my leads. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the value of this variable should be updated with the new lead name. Variables makes our text dynamic and we can use multiple variables in our text. Now going back to Pabbly, here I'm going to select my template name as lead form. And after selecting the template name, automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. Now moving forward, it is asking for recipient mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So instead of entering it manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Landingi. So here I am going to map the phone number. And now moving forward, it is asking for body field 1. So here I need to map the data for my variable. So here I am going to map the name. Now before clicking on save and send test request, here I will replace this dummy user number with my original number to receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've entered my own number and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where our message status is accepted. So let's check our WhatsApp. So here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the message as, "Hello dummy, we are always eager to connect with amazing people like you. Whether you are interested in our latest products, exclusive offers or just want to stay updated with what we are up to, we have got you covered. I'd love to learn more about your requirements and discuss how we can assist you further. Feel free to reply to this message and let's schedule a time to chat. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Regards, demo user." So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to submit a new form. So for that, let me take you back to inquiry form. So again, this is the inquiry form. Here I'm going to submit a new dummy data. Here I'm going to enter the name as test user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. And now I'm going to enter my original phone number so that we can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've entered my original number and now I'm going to click on this send. So here we have successfully saved our form. Now let's check our WhatsApp. So here you can see we have received another message with different name but the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger application as Landingi and an action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever a new inquiry is made in our Landingi, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.